position, and then were you surprised that you were relieved?
Sa tanong na kung kamusta ako, okay, andito, naghahanap buhay.
Okay. As to the nagulat ka of your relief, or you disappointed over it?
So many things were said in the past days by other people. Pakinggan nyo na lang muna sila. I'm still composing my thoughts. I'm still composing my thoughts, and I'll be making a statement in due time.
Sir, sabi nyo nahanap buhay. What do you mean by that, sir?
Pumasok ako sa Grab delivery, sa food delivery, at nakatanggap ako ng message sa aking app, at nakakita ako na birthday cake. So I delivered it. Nagkataon pala birthday ni Congressman De Lima. So nagulat ako na nadala kong cake sa kanya. Naki-happy birthday na rin ako.
Sir, may bagong posisyon na in-offer sa inyo?
Let's just wait for the official announcement, kung meron man.
Ano po, pero sir, tatanggapin niyo kung meron?
Let's just wait. Masyado namang nauna ang karwahe dyan. Pag tatanggapin o hindi, wala pang ang announcement kung meron man.
Pero nakausap na po kayo ng presidente?
Executive privilege, pwede.
Okay. Sir, you think yung pagtanggal sa inyo has anything to do with yung binawi na mga appointments mo?
That will be